Hi, I'm Lori
And I'm Jeannie.
with Barrow Furniture, and today we're talking about how today's house, a lot of them have the big open floor plan. How can we make that flow together? The kitchen, the living, the dining area. How can you make that flow together? And what are your suggestions, Jeannie?
Well, we need to start with a color palette, and we start with the living room and pieces that will anchor a room that flow into your kitchen and into the dining room. And we here have beautiful fabrics in different lengths and color palettes to make a room work together.
What are your thoughts on maybe choosing different colors for each room and then have them all flow together?
Absolutely. We start with a main and introduce it as an accent in other rooms, and they flow from one room to the next. We are here to help with floor plans, color palettes, and your vision. We love looking for people with a challenge from anywhere from a 77-inch sofa to a 110. We can make it happen. For more information, do visit our website, and even better, come visit me, Lori, or anyone else here on the sales staff.